Hey friends, as you can see today, we're taking a closer look at the Let Me Shine disposal cleaner. They're basically just these little pouches that look like this. So let me show you how to use this.
Run hot water full steam down the disposal for roughly 1 minute. Next, reduce the water until it's pencil thin, and then drop your cleaning tab down inside the disposal.
And now we're going to turn on the disposal. Okay, foam is reducing. As you can see, we had a bunch of gunk that was just trapped up in these pipes. This is what was causing our smell. Nasty stuff. Okay, once we've rinsed all the foam down the disposal, the cleaning is complete.